So here we have the Toyota Aygo on an 18 plate. I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls first of all. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. We have the rev counter on the left-hand side, speedometer in the middle, as you can see. Within that, it will show you a few things. We've got the fuel gauge. It will show you this car is in neutral. It's got a semi-automatic gearbox, which I will show you in a bit more detail in a moment. If you press the buttons up on here, you can change the information displayed in that central section where you'll be able to see the total miles for this car. And as you can see, they are only 2,909. We back out to the steering wheel. We have stereo controls over on this left-hand side, phone controls on the right-hand side. You can change up and down a gear manually with these paddles, should you wish to do that. And again, I'll come to the gear lever in just a moment. We have the main screen for the car in the centre just here. So it's all touchscreen. We have our audio menu. You can see we've got FM, AM and DAB radio, USB input, Bluetooth audio and auxiliary input as well. You can pair your phone from up here. You can also connect up a smartphone. As you can see, you'll then be able to have satellite navigation that way as well. And if I pop the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we have a reversing camera too. Below that, we have the climate control for the car. So you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. This button here will turn the air conditioning off in this case, or back on again, or hit auto. In doing so, as you can hear, the car will take control of the fan speed and the direction of the air to maintain the temperature you've asked for, and you can override that manually whenever you wish to. We have a USB input, auxiliary input and 12-volt charging socket, and then the gear lever for the car. So you're able to put it into automatic here, manual, so you can go up and down a gear, and then neutral is just to the left here, and we have reverse up in that top corner. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this ULEZ compliant car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.